Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring precisely 200 g sugar, 75 g glucose, and 1/2 cup honey. This ratio controls chew and set. Bloom your gelatin in cold water and keep it nearby so it dissolves quickly when warmed. Set the pan with parchment and dust with powdered sugar to prevent sticking. Once done, begin heating sugar, glucose, and honey to 140 degrees C while whisking egg whites to soft peaks. This simultaneous work prevents overcooking and ensures a gloss. You heat the sugar-glucose-honey syrup to 140 degrees C and resist stirring once it boils. That keeps sugar from crystallizing. Meanwhile, whip the egg whites to soft peaks and, as a transition, slowly stream the hot syrup into the whites while the mixer runs. This cooks the whites and builds structure. Once fully incorporated, add the dissolved gelatin and fold in 150 g toasted nuts or fruit. Make sure to work quickly, but gently so the nougat stays aerated and glossy before pouring it into the prepared pan. You press the nougat evenly into the lined pan, smooth the top, and place a sheet of parchment or edible paper before waiting lightly to level. Chill for 2 to 3 hours until it firms. When cutting, heat and oil your knife to get clean edges and slice into bars. If bars feel sticky after cooling, dust them with powdered sugar or refrigerate briefly instead of trying to reheat. Reheating can collapse the texture. One troubleshooting tip: for grainy texture, your syrup likely crystallized. Next time, brush sides with water while boiling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.